Gotta pay $1,000 for the fucking. Oh, wait a second. My son sucks for dames. Let's see about that.
Whoa. What are you? Come here, lady. Let me take you out for a walk, you know what I'm saying? We'll go back to the crib. 69 each other. Oh, where my manners? Ladies first. That's what our mama told me. You go in. What the hell? That was a robot? Mom, what the fuck are you doing with my leg? Oh, wait. Drink some water, hold your breath, Tom. That's how you fix it. And you gotta call a dentist.
What say we break for lunch?
What about our honey?
Come on, man. Call
It's your honey or your life.
Oh boy.
What the hell? Come on, man. Call how much money you got to pay for?
Thanks, Dookie boy.
Thanks, Eeyore.
Anytime.
Thank you, Eeyore.
You're welcome.
Quick, make a beeline for Piglets. Oh, they're gone.
Told you it was too much. You dead now or what?
Well, I guess come see me in heaven. Well, I got a faggot ass wig, and I got a dentist heaven.
Oh, they're gone.
Or maybe just pretendering. You know, bees are sneaky like that. I was right.
You got a lot of style, big boy. And I admire that. And I like the little white flag.
Hey, Joy and Sunny, if you put the
But I
ice cream
don't like
in your
that
mouth,
honey part.
you will be a grounded for the rest of the No.
Sure has been nice. Meeting you, ma'am. It's been a
Come on! Hurry, Papa! It's your only escape!
I hate you! I hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
No!
I want you, please! I'm sorry, you guys. No, I want some mommy. Well, I miss you that, girls. No. You're going.
We can call this a wonderful ending. Or not. Chapter 12. Big Fight.
But I want some pizza.
What's going on?
like that.
Anyway, I want a pizza pepperoni with
Out of this complete breakfast.
I'll save the day.
I knew it! It was the suit guy!
Nobody takes my Pop-Tarts.
I think so.
Girls. Get in. No. No. You're going better here. Oh. Joy and sadness. I can't believe you because you threw the food and then you eat the ice cream. Please, I'm sorry. We are sadness. Joy and sadness. I can't believe you because you threw the food and then you eat the ice cream.